Welcome to Proven and Probable. I'm your host, Maurice Jackson, and joining me today is Mirasol Resources, Stephen Nano. Stephen, thank you for joining us today.
Hi, Maurice. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're live at the Sprott Natural Resource Symposium, and Mirasol Resources is one of the featured exhibitors here. Stephen, talk to investors about what is a prospect generator.
There are several versions of the same business model here, but Mirasol's version of this, the way we do it, is we really use science and technology to generate new projects. So we're not buying projects. These are things that we've applied scientific method, exploration technologies, and good business practices to secure a portfolio of projects. Rather than us trying to drill each one of those and test them, because it's an extremely expensive process.
Yes, it is.
We'll do the early stage science, we'll identify quality drill targets, we'll take those projects to larger companies that need new resources. Through structured deals, those projects will earn equity in the project.
Okay.
And instead of diluting our shareholders, we're using the funds from the company to test those projects. The way that we structure our deals, we make sure that we end up with a substantial proportion of the project if there's a discovery, and that retained equity position, if we can, we will arrange for that through the structure of the deal to be funded to production, so that there's no added burden on Mirasol to find that funding, and we'll end up with a large proportion or a reasonable proportion of a substantial discovery without diluting our shareholders. So it's a risk mitigation, but also gives us a higher probability of success because we can have multiple projects being tested at any one time using other people's funds.
Yeah, that's one of the virtues I like about prospect generating is that you de-risk the project. You really don't have a share dilution in essence, and you have proven management, and that's one of the reasons why Sprott has you here, is proven management, proven technical team. Let's talk about one of your projects in particular. You just had a press release. I know investors want to hear about it. Let's talk about Claudia.
Yeah, look, Claudia is a project that follows this pattern very well. We've actually built that property portfolio. We've discovered the mineralisation that's on that project. We own 100% of the mineral rights at this stage. What we've done is joint ventured that project to a subsidiary of Anglo Ashanti Gold that has a large multi-million ounce mine field next door and a large mill and processing plant already in place. So what we're trying to do with Claudia is actually identify satellite resources that could be processed through that existing plant and infrastructure. Our joint venture partner, Anglo Ashanti Gold, is focusing their exploration efforts on that, so drilling a substantial amount of meters at the moment. The initial results we've come in are very encouraging. They're focused on our Kuraway prospect, which is one of the 5 prospects within the Claudia project. So part of the things that Anglo like about our Claudia project is that there are multiple prospects inside it, multiple bites at the cherry to make a discovery. The initial results are showing that we have an extensive epithermal gold-silver system that has never been drill tested before, and as we've said, it's close enough to their mine infrastructure so a discovery could be processed by trucking ore to their plant. A substantial win for Anglo if that works, because it extends their mine life, but significantly for us it could see Mirasol fast track to production and cash flow. So a great opportunity if the exploration is successful.
Yeah, that's encouraging to hear. And also, just looking back here, the last time you and I conducted an interview was in December. U.S. stock price was 55 cents at the time, and you've now reached up to $2.20. Quite an accomplishment.
Look, I think we're very happy about the performance of the stock. Part of it, we need to credit the fact that the market's improved and precious metal prices have improved. But I think it's also reflecting that we are delivering some interesting results from our 2 joint ventures, and also have a fantastically strong pipeline of projects as well.
Now, Stephen, if an investor wanted to get more information, share with us the website and best way to contact you.
Yeah, look, a couple of points there, I guess, Maurice. The first is that Mirasol's recently put on, for the first time in its history, a dedicated IR person, John Toporowski. He's well known in the industry, a very successful guy and a very capable person, always available. Directly through our head office here, if I'm in the field or on an aeroplane, easy man to get hold of. Obviously our website, mirasolresources.com, in the process of rebuilding that, so hopefully within the next month or so we'll have a brand new website, but there's a lot of information there, and of course all of our press releases and project profiles are on there as well.
Thank you for sharing that, and just for listeners here, I'm an investor in Mirasol Resources, so full disclosure there, and one of the reasons is good stewardship of capital, proven management, the geological team, second to none, and again, Mr. Nano, thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable. I look forward to doing more interviews with you in the future.
Thanks, Maurice, absolutely.
Thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable. Remember to like and subscribe for more conversations with the most respected names in the natural resource space. Check out our website at www.provenandprobable.com. The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.
Oh, yeah, this is what didn't work yesterday.
Oh, okay.
I had you right here.
Oh, it wasn't me, it was that.